It's a really interesting story for many, but for any of you or anybody who is Nigerian, it's a story that people will recognize so well. So my parents, when I was 4 years old, made me believe that there were only 4 professions that existed in the whole wide world. Number 1, to be a doctor, if you were really, really smart. If you were a boy, you could be an engineer. And if you liked writing, you could be a lawyer. I hated writing, so that scratched that. The last time I checked, I wasn't a boy, so I couldn't be an engineer. And so I wanted to be a doctor to prove to my father that I really genuinely was the most interesting and cleverest person in the whole wide world. It's quite funny because I have really stark memories of my mother saying to me, "What would you like to be when you grow up?" As every mother says to their child. And I said, "Well, I'd really like to look after children." And she said to me, "Well, you know what, you should be a paediatrician." And I said, "What's a paediatrician?" And she said, "It's a doctor that looks after children." She didn't say I could be a nurse or a teacher. It was clearly wrapped around the idea of being a medic. So I ran along with that. It was only when I got to medical school and I met people who were studying the history of art or international law, and I realized, oh wow, there are so many other things that I could do. But to be honest, medicine has been a great journey for me. I've learned so much, it's given me such great opportunities, and I'm not sure I would change it for the world. Or maybe if I could study medicine and anthropology and a bit of culture and art, that would be the ideal job for me.